Hey Master! Welcome to Quiz Master. Today we play Choose the Gift Challenge. Before starting, please like and subscribe our channel for more exciting quizzes. Good luck! Choose one gift. Number 2. I hope you pick the right gift. Next one. Number 4, which one? Choose your gift. Choose wisely. Number 8. Choose your gift. Next one. Like this video if you get the right gift. Next one, what number are you taking? Number 11. You are doing great. Next one. Choose one gift. Number 14. I hope you pick the right gift. Choose wisely. Choose your gift. Number 17, which one? Next one, what number are you taking? Number 19. I hope you pick the right gift. Last one. Watch next, I challenge you now. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.